Good morning, pretty girl. Good morning, Nadia. Can I ask you a few questions? Are you going to ignore me? Uh-oh, this is not going to go well. All right, so I'm going to ask you all of your toys, and I'm going to ask you about the colors, okay? Is that okay? Can we do it? Who's that?
It's a unicorn.
That's a unicorn? Let me see. Hey, unicorn, how are you? What's that?
It's a shoe.
That's your shoe, yeah. That don't belong there. And who is this?
It's a pig.
It's a pig. Who is this guy?
It's a bee.
It's a bee? It's a bee. Who's that?
It's a dinosaur.
It's a dinosaur. And, oh, who's that?
It's a bunny.
It's a bunny. Nadia got this in the hospital when she was sick, so they put an IV on it so that it wouldn't scare her when they went to put her IV in. So this really helps. It helps the kids when they see their favorite toy animals or, just favorite toys. Yes, toy animal. So who is that?
It's a bunny.
It's a bunny. There you go. Give Bunny a hug. Good job. What is that?
It's a nose.
It's a nose. It's Nadia's nose. What color are these, Nadia?
It's a grapes.
Right. What color are the grapes? What color?
It's a purple.
Good job. Who is that?
It's a monkey.
It's a monkey. Who is this?
It's a unicorn.
It's a unicorn. What is this?
It's a ball.
It's a ball. What kind of ball?
It's a yellow ball.
It's a yellow ball. Good job. And let's see. What is this?
It's a yellow car.
It's a yellow car. What is... Ooh, that's a cool guy. What is that?
It's a dinosaur.
It's a dinosaur. What color is this dinosaur?
It's a rainbow dinosaur.
It's a rainbow dinosaur. Good job. Oh, this is pretty. What is this?
It's a flower.
It's a flower. What color is that flower?
It's yellow.
Good job. It is yellow. Oh, that's a cool guy. Who's that?
It's a crab.
It's a crab. What color?
It's a purple.
It's a purple. Good job. Who is this big guy? Who's that, Titi? Who's that?
It's an egg.
It's an egg? It's a unicorn egg. Where's the other half?
It's a doll.
That's a doll. Yes, it is. Who's that?
It's a rabbit.
It's a rabbit? It's a bunny rabbit. Oh, what is this, Titi?
It's a drum.
It's a drum. What is this?
It's a xylophone.
It's a xylophone. Good job. Uh-oh. What is this?
It's a shoe.
What is this?
It's a butterfly.
It's a butterfly. Yes, it is. What is this?
It's a hippopotamus.
Good job. That's a hippopotamus. Good job, my smart girl. What is this?
It's a ricard.
It's a ricard. What is this?
It's a telephone.
It's a telephone. Call daddy. Call daddy.
Hello, Daddy.
Hello, daddy. What is this?
It's a shoe.
It's a baby shoe. What is this?
It's a bag.
It's a bag. Good job. Titi, what is this?
It's a tree.
What kind of tree?
It's a Christmas tree.
Yes, it's a Christmas tree. Good job. Oh, this is pretty. What is that?
It's a heart.
It's a heart. Yes, it is. Good job. What are these?
It's a grapes.
Grapes. Good job. What are these?
It's a key.
Good job. That's a key. It's a key holder. What is this?
It's a baby.
It's a baby. What color is this?
It's a green.
Green. What shape is this?
It's a square.
Good job. What color is this?
Orange.
Orange. Good job. What color is this?
It's yellow.
What color is this?
It's a car.
I know it's a car. What color is the car?
It's a red car.
Good job. It's a red car. What color is this?
It's a bucket.
Yes, it's a bucket. What color is the bucket?
Pink.
Pink and what color is that?
Yellow.
Good job. Pink and yellow. What is this?
It's a pink flower.
It's a pink flower. Good job. And what is this?
It's milk.
It's milk? Is that Titi's milk?
Whoa.
Whoa, you have a lot of toys. Good job. Bye, Titi. I'll see you later.